SpaceX, the spacefaring company aiming to conquer our solar system and beyond. CEO, Elon Musk now says SpaceX will use robot Chopsticks to catch massive Starship rocket. Now, although I am a huge Musk fanboy, even this headline makes me question his logic sometimes. The daring plan could be carried out later this year, during a major test of the Mars-bound Starship craft, which will see it blasted into orbit by a super heavy booster rocket. The so-called Chopsticks refer to mechanical arms attached to SpaceX's launch tower, is named Mechazilla by Elon Musk, which will help guide the booster rocket back down onto the pad. This system could potentially allow for rapid reusability, and allow for several Starship launches in a single day, though chances of early success are far from certain. Success is not guaranteed, but excitement is. Musk tweeted on Monday. In a series of several tweets, the SpaceX boss said the robotic arms will be equipped with tank tracks in order to slide the booster back out to line up with the orbital pad. There have been several high-altitude Starship tests this year, all without the booster attached. All but one of them ended in fiery explosions. SpaceX briefly assembled the biggest ever rocket at its Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas, earlier this month, demonstrating the scale of the fully stacked Starship craft. The two segments of the Super Heavy booster rocket on the bottom and the Starship craft on the top, which measured roughly 120 meters, 400 feet, when connected together. Capable of delivering around 100,000 kilograms to low Earth orbit, the combined Starship rocket will be capable of delivering around 70 meganewtons of thrust off the pad, is approximately double that of Apollo's famous Saturn V rockets that helped launch humans to the moon. SpaceX is yet to set a date for the next major test of its Starship prototype, which will see it fly from Texas to Hawaii in a 90-minute flight, though it is expected to take place within the coming weeks or months. So guys, what do you think about this concept? Will Mr. Musk pull it off? Let me know down in the comments, guys, and remember to subscribe for more artificial news.